Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a great way to strengthen your inner core and outer core through your breath. And so what we're going to do is we're going to work the front side and back side while we breathe. And what I mean is we're going to breathe under tension to strengthen our inner core, but we're going to hold certain positions to strengthen our outer core. So it looks like this. So we're going to get on our back, going to raise our knees up towards our chest to get our tailbone off the floor. We're going to tuck our chin, raise our arms up, and we're going to pull those knees up towards the chest and reach those arms up. We can even reach this way if we want to, like we're trying to touch the wall behind us. And we're just going to hang out here and breathe down into our belly. So this challenges our diaphragm and allows us to strengthen it. We're breathing under tension. But this also really works the abs because we're holding this position. So we're strengthening the inner core and the outer core. And maybe you do that for 10 breaths, 20 breaths, whatever you feel like. And then you relax and you flip over. So now we're going to do the exact opposite. We're going to lift our knees up off the floor, get our glutes and hamstrings on. Ooh, rock solid. And we're going to lift our chest up off the floor, and we're doing the fallen baby. And we're going to breathe for 10 or 20 breaths. And now we're still adding load to our diaphragm, all this tension in our body. And you can see I'm breathing into my belly, and as I do, it pushes my body up. And so now we're working the back side of the core while we still strengthen the inner core. And then after 10 or 20 breaths, you quit and roll over and do the front side again. So we hang out and breathe. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 breaths, whatever you feel like. Works that side. And then you come over. We're going to work this side. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 breaths, whatever you got. And you just do this back and forth. Again, super simple. I know it seems like ridiculous, but it's a fantastic way to learn how to breathe into your belly under tension, strengthens your diaphragm, really gives good information to your nervous system, but it also strengthens your outer core unit too. So it makes you very solid from the center out. And that's the secret of strength. Being strong and resilient comes from the center out. So it is simple, but the return is massive. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Try it every day for 20 to 30 days. Maybe you just do it for 2 to 3 minutes a day. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you discover. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.